Rid yourself of negative people in a way that makes you feel good. Why is detoxing to rid yourself of negative people important? Those that carry a permanent air of negativity will be the ones who will stand in the way of your goals. They will talk you out of doing things, planting the seeds of doubt in your mind as they go. Being constantly bombarded by negative energy can drain your energy levels, bring with it stress and anxiety. Now, positive changes cannot happen when you inhibit a negative space. Allowing the toxicity that negative people bring to seep into your veins will stunt your opportunity for personal growth and success. And when negative people are removed from your life, it opens up space that positive people can move into, bringing with them encouragement and support. The process of detoxifying negative people from your life. Step 1. Come to the realization that you are worth it. If you want to achieve goals and become a better person, you need to believe that you can do it. Cutting loose the anchor of negativity that is pulling you down will help you get where you want to go that much faster. How do you come to this realization? Start by making an active choice to commit yourself to what it is you want from life. Don't let anyone stand in the way of that. If there are negative people in your life, ask yourself the following. What sort of effects are those negative people having on your life? What are your goals and how much do you want them? Are negative people stopping you from reaching those goals? And step 2, identify the negative folks. You start to feel worse the moment you start talking to toxic people. They suck all your positive energy and leave you feeling miserable. They will quickly shoot down any type of idea you suggest. And they will question everything you say or do. Try to convince you that making a change will be the worst possible idea you've ever had. It's not always easy to spot when you are doing this, as they will sometimes make it sound as though what they are saying is positive. And what they are really doing is filling your head with doubts and do nothing but make you feel totally insecure about yourself. You need to learn to identify when this is happening, as it is the only way you will spot the negative people that need to go. And step 3, get them out of your life. This can be done in any way that you think will be effective. Ignore their calls and steer clear of them. It's okay to be apologetic for your actions, but you do not need to defend what you're doing. Do not resort to rudeness or hate, but rather let them go with love. You may even allow them back into your life if they're able to get rid of their negativity and adopt a new attitude in the future. Step 4. Don't give in to guilt. Remind yourself that you are worth it, and don't give your actions a second thought once they're done. It may feel as though you are abandoning these people, but that is simply not the case. You're merely letting them go so that they can find their own way, and you can find yours. You might even have tried to help them in the past with kind words and encouragement, but all to no avail. Now, there comes a time when you have to cut your losses and move on. It's up to you to do what's best for yourself, not others. And it is human nature to grow and change throughout your life, with many people falling out of your life as those changes hit. And step 5, prepare to be positive. Replace the toxic people with those who are positive and willing to be supportive of your goals. These people will offer words of encouragement in everything that you do, even if some of those things are a little scary or risky. Positive people are up for and willing to try anything, and they are the ones that usually succeed when they try.